Hi everyone, this is Dr. Omar. In this video clip, I am going to show you how to import data from Excel to SPSS. I have the data in a file in Excel in that format where I have 5 cases in a row and 10 variables in columns, and I want to import these data variable and cases into SPSS for further analysis. And the way to do that is, first of all, go to SPSS, select the file that has already been stored in Excel. So in this window, when we click on open data and then scroll into file that we have saved, and I've saved it in YouTube channel, change the file type into Excel. A couple of files will appear. We select the import data from Excel to SPSS. Now what happens that the SPSS will automatically import all the columns and rows from Excel into SPSS in that format as it's shown here in this table. In the data view, cases from 1 to 5 in rows and variable from 1 to 10 are in columns. I could do a few tweaking with this to make it much neater. So I'm going to get rid of the decimal, as there is no need for decimals here. We click, as we have done, we clicked in the variable of view, and then we change that decimal length into 0, and click the last one is here. That's it. And we go to view, and we'll see that all the digit within the variable has been decimal is removed from them, and it just integer, single integer. Now what I could do also, I could do align them into the center, do it in the center so that all the data are in the center of the cell. We call this cell. I'll show it to you. What you will see how this will produce a much neater. And we do that for all the cases and all the variables, as you can see here, and even the one here also. We make it center. Then we go back again and see that all of them has been centered. Now what else I need to make sure that all my data that I inserted into SPSS are in correct format. So the variables here are numeric, so they are already assigned numeric. But when they measure them, we have to change that into scale, so they can SPSS can appreciate and take in consideration that they are numbers and figures. They are not just only categories. So it's very important to change this into scale so the SPSS can really recognize that. And we leave the cases as nominal because the cases are, all of them are text. So now we've sorted out the decimal, remove the decimal, we may center them, and then we measure the nominal, change the measurement to scale for all of them. We could do